Let's learn some color names. Red color, yellow color, blue color, white color, black color, ग्रीन कलर। तो बच्चों ड्राइंग ड्रॉ करते ABCD। A for apple, A. B for ball, B. C for cat, C. D for dog, D. E for elephant, E. F for fish, F. G for giraffe, G. H for hat, H. I for insect, I. J for jug, J. K for kite, K. L for lion, L. M for monkey, M. N for nest, N. O for orange, O. P for penguin, P. Q for queen, Q. R for rabbit, R. S for sun, S. T for tiger, T. U for umbrella, U. V for volcano, V. W for whale, W. X for xylophone, X. Y for yo-yo, Y. And Z. Thank you बच्चों, thank you for watching. Bye bye.